Hey, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. So in this video, I want to show you how to make money as a complete beginner on YouTube. Some of the secret tricks that we've learned along the way where you can make recurring, repeat income, and also where you don't need to create a product or service of yourself. You can just kind of get going and get started immediately and start making money, right? Start making the bucks. So what I actually would recommend is the way I got started, the way I recommend most of my students get started. If you haven't got a product or service, start with affiliate marketing. Right? And here's just a snapshot of some of my affiliate programs that I've run. I don't like boasting, but I have to show you this so you can kind of key yourself in and go, okay, this is really cool. So here's one that I did recently. This was ClickFunnels 2.0 when they launched. So all I did was I basically waited till they launched and they released an affiliate program. I signed up for that affiliate program and I started putting videos up. And I just made sure I had a really good bonus. Now, I've got this $12,000 bonuses, and I'm going to give those to you in a minute. You can actually grab those. When you grab my 24-hour ranking system from this page here, the link's in the show notes, you will basically get these $12,000 bonuses. And the reason you want them is because when you start putting videos up, you have something better to give away. You have something that people want, right? And also you can compete with anyone else because you can see here, all these other videos didn't have any bonuses. I did. And this is the result, right? We did $125,000 in 10 days. We did 997 referrals, right? Which is kind of crazy. And I came 7th in the leaderboard. I thought I was going to come first actually with that, but there were some really big marketers and we did that, right? Now, the other thing as well, a lot of people think you want to go viral. But if you go viral, you've got to build up a massive channel, right? The way you get videos to go viral and get millions of views is by having a channel with millions of subscribers, right? Because a big percentage of your subscribers will watch them, then Google will push it out to more people. And when you do get a video that gets 1 million views, you can make this sort of money, basically $1,400. What we did is by doing affiliate marketing, all I did was I just kind of create videos and sometimes I just screen share the landing page, right? So I'll just talk over the top. So I don't do any AI or any of this kind of funky stuff. I just basically will talk over the top of the landing page and I'll just focus on the key elements, right? So in this instance, Webinar Jam had a free trial. So I just created a video, I spoke over the top, I screen shared the landing page and I made a link. Now, the reason this did so well, whereas Shelby Church made $1,300 from 1 million views, I only had 1,000 views, right? But this is targeted views. So people are actually putting the search term in for Webinar. Right, my video's at the top of Google, my video's at the top of, or was at the top of Google, was at the top of YouTube when we were running this, right? And every time someone was looking for that free trial or looking to purchase Webinar Jam, I had the link, I had the bonuses, right? And the two go hand in hand, right? And you just put that link there and then they can click it. And by doing this, we were getting 10 to 15 free trials every single day, because it was all targeted traffic, right? People were only putting that in if they were in the market. 1 in 5 stayed after the free trial. The product cost $500. We got $200 commission. We were getting basically 2 to 3 sales per day on retention, $2,800 per week. So we actually doubled what Shelby Church made from 1 million views. We actually doubled that in 1 week. And then every week after that, we were crushing it. So we knocked it out of the park compared to what she was doing. And this is why I recommend doing this instead of that, right? Because first of all, you don't need to create a product. You just basically choose one that's working and you just put videos up on YouTube, right? And they stay there. I'll show you how to do that in just a sec, right? Here's some videos I put up the last couple of days. So here's an example of what we did. Now we generated $17,000 with this product. And you can see here, I put the first video up on 24th of December 2019. Now, what I did was I actually used the resource that told me that this was launching, right? And then I was like, okay, this is launching, it's heat. So you want to be thinking about, is that product trending? Is there going to be some heat around it? Now, if it's evergreen, then you can just use a keyword tool and see where the search for traffic is. 2 tools I like to use are Keywords Everywhere and vidIQ. Check them out, right? But if not, if it's launching, the keyword tools don't give you that data, but you can just find out from your industry whether, you will know by being in that industry, you'll know whether there's some heat around it. Join the Facebook groups, just kind of keep your ear to the ground. Now, in every industry, there's probably about 3 or 4 affiliate launches. Now, this is a bit of a gold mine, right? Because if there's some heat around an affiliate launch, you just put videos up on the day it launches, right? This one here, for instance, I was at my mum's Christmas Eve. She was cooking dinner. I was watching films. I was like, I've just got my laptop. I don't have a very good microphone. I screen shared the landing page where Mike said, are you not happy with your landing page software? And they were offering a lifetime deal. So I leaned in on that and I just spoke over the top. I didn't put my face on there or anything. Got a sale. Then the next day I don't think we got any the next day, but then the day after that we got 2, then 3, then 4. Then his team reached out to me. Joe Jablonski, who was the affiliate manager, reached out to me. Mike says hi. Got on a call with Mike. Mike then promoted my webinar and blew my business up. All as a result of just when this launched, I just put some videos up. Right? It's kind of crazy when you think like the possibilities. Right? Here's EverWebinar, Kartra Webinar Jam, same company, right? We always get in the leaderboards. So again, just put videos up. And again, I'll show you how to keep them there in a sec. That's the key to this, right? And then we get in the leaderboards. And then I generated $867,000 with them ones. Okay, so the first tip I want to give you is you want to create a clickable link. Now, you want to put that in above the fold here, right? A lot of people bury them down. I don't know why, right? But you want to put it up here, and it's got to have all this bit. So it's clickable to the product. And this bit here, HTTPS, clickable to the product, the same thing in the comments, right? And you pin it to the top of the comments. And you do this as this becomes your funnel, right? So when you put videos up on YouTube, whatever device they're on, they can see it because it's different on different devices. So sometimes they'll see the description, sometimes they'll see the comments, but generally speaking, if they watch your video and they get value, they're going to look in one of those 2 places. So this is your funnel. You can also mention it in the videos as well, right? As you'll see, as I've done in this video, you can go grab my 24-hour ranking system and you'll see I've done exactly the same thing because that's where people are going to find it. And when they're on the video and they're hot, right, they're getting good value, they're kind of thinking, yeah, I love this, they go grab it, right? So, yeah, this is another one. We've got a private mastermind with Russell Brunson, like cost $50,000 to get in a room with him. I came 7th. His team reached out to me actually because I always win these competitions. And I won this and got in 7th in the leaderboard and got to like hang out with Russell for a day. How cool is that, right? So the first thing you want to do is when you put these videos up, so during the launch, you just put the videos up. You do nothing else, right? After the launch, when it turns evergreen, you're going to create this magic funnel and then this is going to rank them. Now, during the launch, they will rank anyway because there'll be you and a half a dozen people only on the planet putting up videos for that product. So they rank straight away. You don't need to do anything else, right? These videos rank. But long term, when other people start doing it, you put them in this funnel. This funnel pushes them to the top of the search engines because all the traffic coming in basically shows Google and YouTube that they need to go up the search engines, right? And then you get this omnipresence. Now, you can take a screenshot of this, but basically it keeps videos on page 1 for many years. It builds you a highly engaged email list. It sells products and services on autopilot without ads. It's just this funnel, right? It's super simple. You get a free, highly valuable email list. You become the ultimate authority. It's a free retargeting campaign. It increases your conversion, especially with the $12,000 bonus I'm going to give you. And it reduces your refund requests where they hardly ever refund. Now, the reason I said to take a screenshot of that, because in the next video I'm going to show you, you'll be able to go through this and actually see it. But what you can do is if you grab the link, I'll break down how to build out that magic funnel so you can get all these results, right? So if you go to helpmegetleads.com, the link's on the screen down below. First of all, we get you your first listing on the front page of Google. So we show you how to basically put a video up and see it at the top of Google in 24 hours. Right, you can do this. This is a 4-day Google ranking challenge, but you can do it in an afternoon, right? You can do it in an hour. You just go and create a video in Canva, put it up, and you'll see it, right? And then you've got to wait 24 hours for it to rank, but then you see it, and it's like, whoa, okay? Then when you've done that, you go and build out, you put your videos up, you put them in the magic funnel, and you're good to go, right? And then my ethical bribe here is that if you get tons of value and you start getting results with this, if you want us to help you or you can work with our team, like a very small percentage of people will do that. You can check that out here. But other than that, I just want to serve you. I just want to basically get you results before you even think about working with us, right? And I will give you my $12,000 bonuses as well. So yeah, if you want to basically check out how to make money on YouTube without paid ads, go check this video out now.